Class 11, let us continue the chapter. Exercise 6, 4 marks questions, we are doing multiple angles. Now, one part 13, sum number 13. Root 3 by sine 20 degree minus 1 by cos 20 degree is equal to 4. Now, left hand side is root 3 by sine 20 degree minus 1 by cos 20 degree. Okay, let's do the LCM first. Then what we will get? Sine 20 degree, cos 20 degree. Okay, now it is coming root 3 cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree. Okay. Now let us write here sine 20 cos 20 is there, so we can apply sine to a form, then we need 2 here. So write here 2. So 2 sine 20 degree cos 20 degree. So when we have introduced 2 here, so we have to take 2 here also. Okay. Next is let us multiply the numerator also. Let us multiply by half. So again we will write here 2. Then it will be root 3 by 2 cos 20 degree minus, we are multiplying by half. So it is coming half sine 20 degree. Clear everyone? These two we have introduced in the denominator. For this two, for adjustment of these two, we have taken 2 here also. Okay. Now again the numerator we have to multiply by half. Then obviously 2 we have to take outside the bracket because half is not there. Okay. I think now it is clear to you. Now 2 twos are, we can write 4, and root 3 by 2. What is the form of root 3 by 2? That is sine 60 degree. So write as sine 60 degree. This is existing as cos 20 degree minus half means what? We have to write as sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A means cos 60 degree. Okay, and sine 20 degree. Compound angle formula. Now 2 sine A cos A means sine 2A. So sine 40 degree we can write. Okay, and this is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B means sine of A minus B. So what we will write? 4 into sine 60 minus 20 by sine 40. Very good, son. 4 into sine, now this is also coming sine 40 degree. The numerator, denominator, it's already there. Now we can cancel these two and we will get 4 as the right hand side, which is equal to right hand side. Now it is also proved. Okay. Now let me rub the board. Next sum we will do sum number 14. This is also a different type. I don't want to do all the sums, but all the sums are different type. That is why I need to do. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Now, part 4. Only part 4 means, sorry, 14. Now, we have to prove 16 cos pi by 15 into cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 is equal to minus 1. Now let's start from the left hand side. I am not going to write again left hand side because it's already there, which is equal to, let's start from the left hand side. We have to prove that is as minus 1. Okay, now 16 is there and cos pi by 15 is there. cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15. Cos pi by 15 is there. So if we want to write this as sine 2a form, then we have to introduce one sine pi by 15 in the numerator. And this is 16 is there. So let us write this as 2 sine pi by 15, and cos pi by 15 is already there, and the others are also there. So let me write the others. Cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15 whole divided by sine pi by 15, because we have taken sine pi by 15 here, but sine pi by 15 is not there, so we have to divide this. Okay, now that is equal to 2 sine a cos a. This part is coming as 2 sine a cos a, so that is equals to sine 2a, that is sine 2 pi by 15. Again cos 2 pi by 15 is there, so we know what to do. So this is coming 2 sine a cos a means sine 2a. So and 8 again we will write as 4 into 2, and 2 sine a cos a means sine 2a. So it is coming sine 2 pi by 15. Next is coming cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, and sine pi by 15 already there in the denominator. Okay, now same as before, again 2 sine a cos a means this one, so it is again we can write as sine 2a, and this 4 we will write as 2 into 2. Okay, and it is coming sine 2a, so sine 4 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15 is a good sum, 8 pi by 15 whole divided by sine pi by 15. Okay, now again this is 2 sine a cos a, so we can write sine, and 2 is already there, so 2 sine 2a means 8 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15 by sine pi by 15, which is equal to 2 sine a cos a means sine 2a, so sine 16 pi by sine 2a, so sine 16 pi by 15 divided by sine pi by 15. Okay, so 16 pi by 15, 16 pi by 15 we can write as 16 pi by 15 we will write as pi plus pi by 15. Pi plus pi by 15. So what we will write? Sine pi plus pi by 15 divided by sine pi by 15. Okay. Now sine 180 plus theta, that is equals to minus sine theta. So we can write minus sine pi by 15 by sine pi by 15. Clear? This is not enough here. So here I am writing, after this I am doing it here. Okay, sine pi plus pi by 15 means minus sine pi, sine 180 plus theta equals to minus sine theta by sine pi by 15. Okay, now this sine pi by 15, sine pi by 15 will be cancelled, and we will get minus 1 as the right hand side. So it is now proved. I think now it is clear to you. Now next sum is question 1, all sums done, all parts done. Next question number 2. Now if tan square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square beta, then prove that cos 2 beta is equal to 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. That we have to prove. Okay. Now tan square alpha equals to 1 plus 2 tan square beta. This is given to us and we have to prove cos 2 beta is equal to 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. This we have to prove. So left hand side, we will start from left hand side. Left hand side is cos 2 beta only. Cos 2 beta. And given condition is this. Cos 2 beta. Now cos 2 beta formula is what? Tan square theta formula is there. 1 minus cos 2 theta. One formula is there for tan square theta. Uh, Tan square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, this we know. So cos 2 beta means this is one formula. Another formula is there. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So let me write that one first. Cos 2 beta means 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta. So this one right at this moment we don't require this. But from this only we get this formula. That is why I have it. Okay. Now next is 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta. Now 1 minus tan square beta, we can multiply this by both numerator and denominator. Then what we will get? 2 minus 2 tan square beta by 2 plus 2 tan square beta. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 tan square beta is there. So we can write this as 2 tan square beta means tan square alpha minus 1. So here we will write 2 minus tan square alpha minus 1. So minus minus it is coming plus 2 minus tan square alpha plus 1. And here 2 plus 2 tan square beta means 2 plus 2 tan square beta means tan square alpha minus 1. So let us write tan square alpha minus 1. Okay. So 2 plus 1 that gives us 3 and 2 minus 1 that gives us 1. So what we will write? 3 minus tan square alpha by 2 minus 1 is 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay. Now tan square alpha already I have said the formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. I have rubbed this because I don't have space also. So instead of instead of tan square alpha, we will write 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Okay. And here also 1 plus tan square alpha we will write. Same here 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Done. Now only the calculation part is there, so we will do the calculation. Now 1 plus cos 2 alpha, 1 plus cos 2 alpha here, and it is coming 3 into 1 plus cos 2 alpha, so 3 plus 3 cos 2 alpha. 3 plus 3 cos 2 alpha minus 1 minus minus plus cos 2 alpha whole divided by again 1 plus cos 2 alpha, and here it is 1 plus cos 2 alpha plus 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Okay, now 3 minus 1 that gives us 2. 3 cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha, that is coming 4 cos 2 alpha divided by 1 plus cos 2 alpha, these two will be cancelled, and cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 alpha also we can cancel, and 1 plus 1 that gives us only 2. Okay, so now we can take common 2, so it is coming 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha divided by 2, already proved. which is equals to 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. Okay, which is equal to right hand side. So this is also proved. It has become very long video. So let me stop here. Coming with next sum coming with new video.